Happy New Year! I rarely make videos like this, but I wanted to come on and share with you guys what I did for my birthday. So if you girls know that I am a shopaholic, or should I say, I just love fashion, okay? So for my birthday, I went to one of my favorite stores. The store is called Akira. And I'm pretty sure the ladies know the store if I show you this bag. The bag is from Akira. So on your birthday, usually on your birthday with Akira, you can make an appointment with a stylist at the store. And then you can just pre-select things that you like, or you'll communicate with them and tell them, your style or whatever. And then they'll put some stuff together. They'll curate a whole set of items for you, so when you get to the store on your birthday, they'll have all the stuff together. Well, I went to the one at Lenox, and I'm just gonna tell you I was quite disappointed because the lady that I made the appointment with, the stylist that I had an appointment with, her name was Cher or Cara, maybe it was Cher, I can't remember, Shara or something like that. But anyway, she didn't even make it to the appointment. She wasn't there. I got there on time. I got there. My appointment was at 11:30 on Saturday. My birthday was like that week before that, Monday or Sunday before. So I made it for the following Saturday because I knew I would be off. I'd have time and all this other stuff. So I got there. She wasn't even there. So all the stuff that I sent her via text message was not there. So anyway, just to make a long story short, I'm just letting you know, you can do that. If you have a birthday coming up, I would suggest go ahead and make an appointment for your birthday, maybe you and your girlfriend, and they will treat you. They'll get a stylist for you, and they will get you some styles together. You just let them know the things that you like or whatever. You can go on the website, show them some of the pieces, or just tell them what you like, and then they'll put some styles together for you. So anyway, and then when you, for your birthday, they'll give you this gift bag. You usually get a gift bag. In my gift bag, I got a huge bag inside of my bag. They gave me some boob tape, some fashion tape, to pull up for your boobs or whatever, just some fashion tape. And then they also gave me a crown for my birthday. And then they blew the whistle once I checked out and all of that. So it was extremely nice. I got treated on my birthday. So I got treated to a little shopping spree, which I really appreciated it because, that, like I said, that's one of my favorite stores. And I didn't even put my little crown on, but they'll give you a crown. But now let's get to the good part. So let me show you some of the pieces that I actually picked up, some of my favorite pieces. And if you shop on the website and if you're familiar with Akira, you know the style. It's very eclectic, it's very different, it's very in-your-face type of fashion. So, and I'm that type of girl. I love things that are different. I'm not gonna see nobody else in it. Everybody's not gonna want to wear it. It's like one of the kind pieces. So all of the pieces there stand out. When you go in the store, you'll know what I'm talking about because everything stands out, okay? Your eyes are like, wow, oh my gosh. It's just like that, okay? And that fits me. I am that type of girl. I love fashion to that degree. Okay, so if you know me, you know that's me. So anyway, let me show you some of the pieces that I have. And they're on the website. If you want, I can share some of the links on the pieces that I have. I'm only going to show you a few, but I got a whole bunch of stuff. But I'm going to show you a few of some of my favorites. So first, I'm going to start off with the boots. I got these boots because I've been eyeing these boots for a minute, and so since the opportunity came for me to get them, I just said, oh, I gotta have them boots. Okay, so fur boots. Fur boots are kind of in season here now, but if you live somewhere where it's a bunch of snow, it might not work for you. But these will work for me because I'm living in the South, so it's not snow, sometimes snow, not possibly, whatever, maybe a little bit of ice, whatever. So anyway, so let me show you the boots. These are the boots that I was able to purchase that I love. Matter of fact, I'll probably show you guys some of the stuff. Matter of fact, I may do this one day at a time because I got a lot of stuff, okay? But here are my boots. These are the boots, the fur boots that I got. And let me also tell you this. I love this because it's blue. You see the blue and the gold. And I have a vest to match. So let me show you the vest that came from Akira as well. This is the vest. Ooh, sorry. This vest here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me back up a little bit. The vest came from Akira. So what I did was I grabbed this vest. This is a maxi vest. You can see this vest is extremely long. And it's heavy. Quality unmatched. When I tell you great quality. So you can imagine these boots. What did I do with the boot? So I want you to imagine these boots. They kind of match a little bit, right? Well, I guess. They actually have a matching jacket, but I didn't get the jacket to match. I kind of just got the boot, which I'm going to show you. And then I got a pair of jeans. I tell you what, for the first look for tonight, I'm just going to show you my boot, my jacket, and then I'm going to show you the jeans that I got. So I got these leather jeans, these denim jeans with the denim on one side and the faux leather on the back with the different, and they got good stretch. So with Akira, their jeans are true to size and have plenty of stretch. So you can pretty much find your size in there. And they have several pieces in there, several different styles of denim. So that's gonna be a good place to shop for different denim, so should I say. So actually, I'm gonna try these on. I'm gonna show you what they look like on, and I'm gonna put the look together. So that'll be like my first look for today. And then let me also show you something else that I got. I was able to get this dress that's on the website. It's like a bubble dress on the bottom. And if you look at the detail, it's like a man's shirt or a shirt all the way down, and then it bubbles out on the bottom. I got this. I was able to get. I got this. Let me back up a little bit. Back this up a little bit. Whoop. Sorry. I knew that was gonna happen. I was able to get this. This is the tool. It has the tool on the bottom, but look at the detail. You see the detail? When I tell you quality unmatched. So again, here's the dress. See the dress? I got the dress. And then I got the vest. I got this black dress here. Oh my gosh. I think I'm just gonna try them on. Matter of fact, I'll just put on my jeans for tonight, and then you guys can tell me what you think, okay? But anyway, I'll be back. This will be just take number 1, but I'll come back and show you the rest of the items that I received, okay? All right, just give me a second.